Watch out. I know I say I'm gonna post long time. I'm very sorry though. I love you all unconditionally. But here what wanna you don't know say the topic na day than now go talk. You see me I say well it makes sense you go make up one but idiot nice. See me I say let's get some move now and just dive to it the right path. How should I account this? Well, I know. You know that. Anyway, yeah. Yo, as I forward, let's like and share that. I don't know what I go. I don't know which one I'm account them, you know. But no one time if we start about the live. When you think we need to start about the live? No. I don't know which one I'm account this dog, but shut up, guy. I wonder which one I'm feeling with this. Anyway. I have too much faith in that big one thing. Than perhaps this. Hold on. Mississippi. No, sir, yeah, Joe. So it's like, hold on there. Sorry people. Yo, as on the forward and the share the live for me, please. This is what I said. Yes, alright. So now we can get down into business. Yeah, I don't know who to start it first, but like I'm right the caption that way there, let me start it that way there. You first, auntie. You see, no, we need to go say auntie. I could talk about because remember you know you have some whole heap of people who strongly believe in our anti-Foota sheep blood clot that they get up with every day with him one bag of gay bully in a rate. You see? Yeah man, that's okay. So me have to look upon it and I say, yo, so a Foota alone hate gay people or a Jamaica, but when do you realize you must say Foota are film people, they must follow him and rate them and say, you see me I say? But to Jamaican people, them don't see where them doing as bullying nobody, you know, because Batman and Saddamite fit dead, you know. Batman and Saddamite fit dead. So remember now, that is not them bullying nothing, that is just Jamaica law. Jamaica believe in killing gay people. Jamaica don't believe in having nothing to do with gay people. Gay people coming like one disease. You see, if my pitney see one Batman, he might go turn Batman too. You see, if my daughter see one Saddamite, she go turn Saddamite too. You see me I say? Remember now, you know, see, so when time Foota come out in the internet and she come and she behave her way and she come out and she write for her spectacular blood clot paragraphs. And she eat up the one them who believe in the same thing them like what she believe in to eat and kill these people. You understand me I deal with? Because remember, you know, that is Jamaica law. You have to kill Batman and lesbian, them then are supposed to read. And remember, you know, dancehall music and not that somehow no low. Remember what dancehall music stand for. Remember what Jamaica stand for. Remember say we at this. Remember say a gunshot. Remember say a boom bye. Remember say yo. From them a power in a chichi man car. Remember the whole of that. Remember say we say Batty boy if he dead. Batty man. Can't live another life, give it another day. Remember, you know, Uno said that. Remember, said this is a fool no thing. So one time when I say, yo, everything we gave it dead. Them they for murder. Nobody can go around that with Uno. At a phone thing. But let me tell you something, Batman blood clot Foota. Let me tell you this pussy. You see you look a blood clot rotten foot pussy wall junk. You look a crowb, you look a blood clot germs. You pussy wall dead dog. You smell like when in our mag pussy wall. In your rotten inside out pussy wall. Father God give you all kind of sickness for you got blood clot deal with. Sugar kill you. And before you got blood clot, sit down and pay attention to your blood clot foot them who are rotten out. Every day, Batman and Sodomite when no soon. You know how much Batman and Sodomite do soon, Jamaicans? Remember, a whole heap of them. The amount of people of you know how much girl take shitty hood because of you know. Because Batman can't come out and be them blood clot self in our surrounding. So Batty we are woman we are fuck Batty. Cannot take the same cocky there and shove up in a blood clot girl pitney hole. You follow me I deal with? You not follow me? Alright now. So just because of the way how you feel, all kind of whole heap of disease cannot give you woman them because Batman a fuck them. Because you Batman Foota feel like every day you have to get up in a social media. Yeah, you hate Batman. No, bitch! You don't hate bumbo clock Batman one time. Batman, when you see Batman, you love them. I fuck you and fuck them because you give Batman the biggest bumbo clock. I like them. Anytime you hear for your name of Batman surrounding youth, you know how much Batman not see your youth. You know how much Batman not care about your youth. You know how much Sodomite not care about your youth. Probably too you see that Sodomite get up and beat you so much. You feel like the Batman get up and care about your youth. You know, say Instagram take away your page, youth. Instagram take away your page, youth. And the first my blood clot that so one page gone. Because you get up every day when you feel like say you do and a bullying. Someone who look up beliefs them won't have a Jamaica or wonder why you're not broke, so. When you say yes, glad so you broke, when you this, me go now for this. When you want it. Not for you want it down and suffer like blood clot dog. But every day when you get up with this one bag of gay eating. When you eat Sodomite, when you eat this, when you eat that. What the fuck she fi do? You know how much Batman I buy on a blood clot mixtape them. You know how much Batman I buy dancehall music. You know how much Batman I content up in a blood clot some fest. The whole of them. Batman been a gas thing. Batman been a go in a asylum. Batman been a go cactus. Batman been in a dance. All of you Batty Foota, the whole of you play for Batman. You know the dance them don't know who in the pussy. Tappy. Bumble hole. Enough Batman control money pound account and skettle. Foota, member say you want blood clot dancer, go. He's a dancer stripper. Man have a beard with money at night time, so good boy. Man a fucking in your bumble clot mode. That's why every day you can get up and talk about Batman so. And if a man no control money for you at night time, you don't feel like you work dirty girl. Dirty big pussy girl. You can't do no blood clot better. Why? Why you can't do no better? Because you feel like you have to get up and eat Batman every day. Where you live? In a one blood clot barbershop. Batman better off more than blood clot you. But every day you get up with this gay eat. Pussy, what you do in America? What you do in America? You think your page alone them going to take? You feel like say your page alone them going to take pussy hole? You go on. I hope a blood clot immigration when you have problem with them I send your blood clot name right now. You know how much Batman there in immigration. You know how much Batman there in Congress. You know how much Batman there in White House, boy. The same country where you fight for blood clot state. When you talk about hang gay people, this, that, red. Enough of them when you see in a bumbo clock courthouse. Enough of them when you see in the Batman and Sodomite them. The whole of them are Batman and Sodomite. Every one of them when you say, oh, yeah man, Batman, Sodomite, them can't live another night. Thank you. Them can't live another night. Why? Because yo, Jamaica not believe in this pussy hole. But the whole I want to fuck up a blood clot embassy with the big Batman flag up there. All you dry blood clot long time beat girl Sizzla. Sizzla go suck out your whole of your bubble them when you have a bubble hill Batman. Keep your blood clot Rastafarianism up a bubble hill pussy. You see now we have to come up the bumble hole lice your thinking ras. In pussy hole, many am pork, many am chicken, many am beef. Pussy you see me and am chunks. Look up body dread. Let me tell you this pussy hole. Una not get book or have no permit for go nowhere. Because una mind small like una fucking look up wood them on have on shrink bars. Sizzla come a blood clot Jamaica and tell you no dunce, dirty blood clot Sizzla. Sizzla you want beard. You beat every one of your blood clot baby mother them. The whole of the bumbo clot girl pitney them and pitney will get raped at Jamaica. You never hear your little thinking rasta mouth in it yet. Mama don't cry. Everybody a cry down there. But the younger time you want to come out and say something out of your blood clot green or mouth, pussy hole. I went to your ear sitting about Batman. Move your licey blood clot for your so pussy hole. Because you can't even left Jamaica but you don't have some time. Turn down there. You know the blood clot brokenness. When last your book for nowhere? Every blood clot mean into Africa. Pussy, go build one house up the body dread. Big pussy hole. You see now we are Rasta? You see now we are Rasta thinking Sizzla? You see now we are Rasta? Pussy we are book you for go nowhere? Batman, you did one go up a headline the show too. Pussy hole. You see now we are meds you. Bumbo hole. You know see little nuts. Big blood clot body artist. He's my number one in a year country thinking it Sizzla. I know you're the number one years. You're the number one in your country, but one Batman have number one space in your country, licey thinking Rasta. Move your now be a blood clot. You need to go out with the Christian them who say they want to trim all like Rasta, them thinking frozen Rasta. You beat so much blood clot, girl, you come and talk about blood clot. Oh, yo, Ray, you mean? It was me come up here about me and put my hand on blood clot girl, me go jail. True, you know got blood clot jail for beat girl boy. But you down there every day, your baby mama they hate you. Because you don't mind your blood clot pitney them every day, your blood clot beat girl. But a sodomite and Batman are your blood clot licey head problem. You frozen and think no blood clot. Go beard, nasty thinking Rasta. Go beard frozen dread. You think no bumbo clot. Go trim. Your bumbo clot smell like up above your pussy hole. In drunk, somebody call you over here, sir. You see nobody listen to your blood clot music them. I saw go listen to bumbo clot when you sang them a fuck Camille. He at you, pussy hole, he at you. Eh? Batty boy, you know how much Batman boy you like a idiot sang them frozen dread. Probably most of your CD them when you sell a Batman buy them. Suck your mother and go and top beat blood clot girl. See they lock me up there. Me no lick my wife a blood clot gen junk. You frozen and green no bumbo clot. You resembling flag them where you thinking dread them a from blood clot stage. More frozen dread. You think and dirty no blood clot. All no. Come boy, you all you hey Erica make sure it's the right thing you kiss your teeth for you no suck good girl. Know yourself in a girl. Guys said to me there so shoot no for no. Don't forget gunshot in the head girl. Know yourself, hear that? Know yourself girl. Say if you there say kiss your teeth, you wrong reason, big pussy girl, hey girl, mouth, and come out from a blood clot life. You hear that girl? You hear that? Cause no phone around if you blood clot segregate and blood clot eat. When Batman no so no. Big pussy girl and big pussy boy. No sodomite and Batman no so no. I never see blood clot way. Me tell you say me a Christian pussy hole. Me tell you say me I still see I body dread. Don't talk to me pussy hole. Don't reason with me. Ask me what me heal. Me no heal none of blood clot you know. I don't believe in what your blood clot believe in. Thinking Rasta boy. Move your bumbo clot and go. Because Batman and Sodomite buy on a blood clot music them on a care blood clot top that. No for on a pussy wall get up and hate Batman and Sodomite. Straight people never buy on a song them yet. Be a Batman. Oh, I'm gonna support it. I like this song a lot. Mama don't cry. Yeah, I'm out of Batman. Say nothing Batman have mama too. Batman a buy on the music there. Move on the blood clot. You never can talk about say this gay that, but you never want there in a blood clot mainstream. Go suck out my body hole and move on a blood clot hypocrite rascal for here so. You never want in the people in blood clot place. Who never want to come up here and sing and make up on a blood clot, rastanize them. But you don't have so much to say out on a blood clot stinking mouth. But name your chunks and sit down in a one corner, batty man, and go for you so pussy. How you man? Thinking dread, you see nobody here as God. Me believe in how your blood clot believe in. Go mind you pity them and stop beat your baby mother them batty boy. And go from you so. But on the intelligent. You don't think on the intelligent if you do a gang up and batty man. Because you don't no blood clot thinking Sizzla. You think I'm dirty in a blood clot. None of you Rasta then can't beat me. You don't have nothing self-conscious, boy. You dirty Rasta. You're thinking Rasta. How much gun them find you with? You believe in a murdering people and how much in violent people around you. Say nothing go kill people, but you walk or eat Batman. But kill yourself, blood clot, nasty Sizzla. You think I'm frozen a bumbo clot. I can't stomach blood clot you. You're one of the reasons why them Jamaica can't blood clot better. One time Silassi come down there and find out how owners Rasta duns. The man say me come down here say we go on some money. But me I go on the money, take you and build a school. That's why you have here Silassi on a dunce blood clot cult. But on a religion. Rasta can never be a religion. On a one cult. On a no blood clot book as religion. On a cult. Because you believe in a blood clot segregation and hate. And boy one time when you girl them a see period, you don't know if you give them no affection or touch them. Go ahead. Because I be a man who not feel up a bubble hill. Go suck on no mother. Move boy, I be a man if you wash on the locks. Because when say girl pitting enough to touch on you on the head, so a man a wash on the locks. What? We do no body cult and go suck out on a blood clot, mother. Every day on the get up, oh, if you go over here, so that means say Jamaica na this, Jamaica na that. Pussy hole, body hole, shit pit, toilet hole, dog shit, crow bait. Let me ask you a question. Somebody did send come ask you when last you go on a big show. You better go over Africa and go live because over this alone a book you. Nobody no want to see you, Fizzla. Whistler, nobody no want to see you. Whistler go sit down in a one blood clot corner. Whistler we use and roll up weed. Pussy hole dread. Idiot frozen, licy, thinking head dread. Think dread. A roll, we roll Whistler. Batty man. We no soon, you know. No for we no soon, we never see we. Me I wonder how they eat we so much, but we never saw it yet, but on a see we. Whistler, go roll up in a one corner and make one of your little dirty dread them bun your pussy hole ital weed. Ital weed! Go sit down in a one corner and make them roll you up and smoke you. Batty boy! Because I don't know how I'm ready for voice opinion as long as a batty. But someone look up Pitney miss her for a one day. Look up Pitney and get raped. And no, they not find the boy who rape off a Pitney a blood clot St. Thomas. But you come out in the media, walk on talk about batty this, batty that. What do you see batty called down there? You don't have nothing for blood clot say. But as soon as you hear sitting about LGBT, you run out. What? You secret batty blood clot lovers, batty fuckers. You make batty life look blood clot good. You highlight us the most. Who knows heterosexual? But we hate batty man. You don't love we. Because we have right now a blood clot mouth like toothbrush and toothpaste. Every minute one batty man hood there now on a blood clot mouth. Batty man soon start fuck everyone now. Them say anything when you talk about so much you have to want it. You need a man for fuck you. You need a man for shove a hood right in your little rasta chunks mouth. You need two balls in your blood clot mouth for your roll. Like dice. Because you chat too blood clot much. Because you wonder, oh, so you say, Batman no listen music. Only can tell Batman what to listen. He thinking it, Sizzla. You lice, you're frozen, you're full of ticks like cow to blood clot. You can't tell somebody what to listen to. Eh? He lice magnet. Let me ask you a question. Lice. You want a pyro of your blood clot locks. Lice is killing the rasta. Lice is killing the rasta. One spray and the whole of them scatter. The whole of blood clot lice them out the head scatter. What time you drop your blood clot you're gonna a pyro. Pussy hole. You need a red for your thinking blood clot brown here. Because you never born with brown here. Lack of washing your blood clot head and red dirt. Your blood clot locks them in your head. Go wash your blood clot head. You have time to take up with your blood clot chest. We look like blood clot Cersei. We are stick. What the bomb clot you do in your mouth. Come off a blood clot. We are going to suck out your blood clot baby mother than we are beat. Batty boy. Go and go tap beat blood clot your baby mama them. And then you can come over here and talk about batty life. Where you're not even live right. But you want to talk about wrong. Pussy where? Someone now heal all kind of blood clot fuckery and a one fuckery alone and have problem with. All of my friend them a bad man. All of my friend them a killer. My friend them a scammer. And then you want to come over here and talk about me one name like a pussy. You want my life bun uno. Show me a name pussy over here so. Move! You friend them a kill people and a rob much in millions of people but at them you praise. And me over here so humbly. And you my little pussy quietly in a one corner. It about you. Me never name no blood clad pussy for your red, green and gold bed. Me never name no pussy over your red, green and gold flag. Me and your red, green and gold flag never go blood clad nowhere yet. Me certain come in the day. Me know me and it not go nowhere. One time me heights at Jamaica flag, I put me put on Sizzla flag, man. Sizzla tell you so not done, so every day you see blood clot and educated thinking mode Sizzla come attack. Sizzla mode card them a frat like Indian pack soap to blood clot. You coming like one big sour, I must see that's why you're not near hog, dirty boy. Move your lice, bumbo clad for you so. You think and dirty like. If a Jamaican artist get the chance to highlight a show, how does shows go? Shows go about reaching out. If one community as such reach out with millions of people a march that day and you are going to perform. Not is only that Spice is a business woman. Spice is a dancehall artist. Yes, music is life. Who listen music? You never know yet, brother. Me meet white people who are watching me and I couldn't even believe. So you can't tell who to rate your music. Them reach out to the woman to come do headline a show and perform our smashing hit single. Go down there. A bad mind, you look a pestilent, bumbleclad, shit pit, junker. It lies them in the head to pick out you and go through your skull and shit in your brain. Pussy hole, nasty dread. You think like bumbleclad cedar. Pussy hole. You use chopstick, you hate Colgate and them thing that you walk on talk out of your fratty blood clot mouth. You are rotten foot blood clot footer. Footer your foot them coming like when you left cane in a sun for 2 blood clot week. Rotten cane blood clot foot them. Your foot them look like them are rotten off and left your blood clot body. Your foot them look like one blood clot like a whisk. A whole up one blood clot babblehead. And you come boy every day you hate gay people. Boy, go take your fucking medication them so your foot them can blood clot get better. Inside of your rat, you can know say you think footer. No kind of cologne can ease off for your body blood clot thinking odor where your blood clot have. But every day you have Batman hood in your mouth. Brother, me I go send to Batman to give you some blood clot fuck, you see. You and Sizzla to get some fucking on the mouth, man. You and Sizzla need to get on the mouth fuck out by 2 Batman. Because if every minute Batman in a phone no mouth, they need to in on the mouth physically. They need to fuck on in on the mouth, coming on the mouth, shitting on the mouth, do all kind of blood clot body activity in on the mouth. Because on the mouth is body orientated. Every minute is a different Batman in a Sizzla mouth. Every minute is a different Batman in a Foota mouth. Every minute, body. Only give you most hype. Only say only hear to but only give you most blood clot highlight. You right there now, Sizzla walk and watch me name some pussy. Sizzla move your license like a thinking locks right in front of me. Me can't make you go watch me and I'm no pussy. Move your freaky ras. Dirty boy. If they could turn to light, to see how much of them blood clot bubble rasta that wind up and down in your body wall. Because of them alone can wash your head. Because you don't know, the sister them not supposed to touch in your head in the fire. See you were going all over for wake up and wait for your alone if you touch with nothing. Because you know the time. Man alone a wash on a blood clot head. And a wrap turban round on a blood clot head. Man, if you catch on the head and a wrap turban, this is like a suck out your blood clot natty them. The whole of your natty them when you have a suck off your hood up a bubble, you go suck out your mama, papa. Nobody now call you over here, so go and go chuck in your mama, daddy. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, move your bumbo clot and go from yourself. You see me? Little hike. Good. You see Jamaica, a hypocrite place. From you look for Lila Ike. Yes, it's a Lila Ike a sodomite. Oh, you can look for me and know say me a one big old sodomite global lesbian. From you see me and say, yo, yeah man, that's a sodomite, you know. Big international sodomite. Let me light my weed. Lila Ike. When you did look for Lila Ike the first time, what come to the mind and don't be a blood clot hypocrite. Let me light my weed. Me I read, you know, get involved. Lila Ike. She sing positive music. Everybody know Lila Ike. Everybody know Lila Ike, people. Everybody know Lila Ike. So one time, when I see Lila Ike the first time, what come to no mind? See, I'm here like on this sick coffee and I say, yo, if I'm a sick coffee, I know say coffee a lesbian. I love coffee. I love Lila Ike. I don't love them because me suspect say them a lesbian. Me don't like Lila Ike and coffee because of their sexual orientation. Me don't give a fuck what Lila Ike then did a fuck. Me don't give a one thing Lila Ike did do what me name like. I went and she did say she not put on no young artist. Me never like that notion there. That was a fucked up notion. You understand what I deal with? But one time me see Lila Ike, I went and we see coffee. We love those two girls. Beautiful voice. You never hear them in a reggae for a long time. It's like them two girls that bring a different kind of meditation to the music. You understand me? I love them because yo, when I hear Lila Ike sing them, it's like for your music, I lick your soul. You understand me? Me hear enough people that say, oh, you can't sing positive music and I be lesbian. What your sexual orientation have to do with music? Remember, you know, when you never hear Lila Ike come out in a song and I talk about a lick a pussy up and down. She skin out the fat, and she skin out the pussy in my face, baby. You never hear that girl come out in another song them and sodomite it out. Lick out no pussy in no song. No rare. She sing nice music. And one time you tell the music will touch the heart, and you say, yo, damn, this girl have a beautiful fucking voice, bro. You feel me I deal with? So till one day you say, yo, damn, one a girl reach far. Far, because she sing some good positive music. So you, as uneducated Jamaican people, are going to tell me, say, because you have a lesbian thing, boy, you're gay. You can't be positive. You can't give out a positive message just because you're gay. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of blood clot here. A whole heap of straight people and no real people. Whole heap of straight people and no real people. And what time me talk that, you don't know sound lie. Whole heap of straight people are pussy boy, yeah, they can't give no good advice. And then because you say somebody's sexual orientation, they not blood clot, good reasoning mentality. They not feel like how you feel too. Just because she a woman will fuck one woman, you feel like say she can't feel that way there. Because yeah, oh gay people feel love. Gay people can't tell you nothing about positivity. Oh, one gay girl will say that. And he must suck pussy. Oh, one gay girl will tell you about love. And a pussy them on your mouth. Oh, one gay girl will tell you about Jah. And a pussy them on your mouth. Oh, one girl will tell you about Almighty. And a pussy them on the court. Oh, you, what you mean? So my sexual orientation have something to do with me can give you a good fucking advice. You know what days me there say I'm talk be a fuck, someone don't like me, because they say me full of profanity. They want to fuck so me talk and truth and me talk about yes as a gay girl and none of you can take that from me because the truth is there to be seen. And me say and Lila Ike, if you don't want to talk about someone you never know say Lila Ike and lesbian, shut up. Lock on the fucking dick suckers. Lock on the blood clot pussy suckers and dick suckers right now. Because me, as me see Lila, I know what's outside of my head. Me never need glasses. Me never need contacts. Me never need a blood clot telescope. You see that blood clot there. And I like say it did the outer space. I mean if you use a blood clot telescope and say, yep, I said I might that. No. It's right in front of my blood. Me never need Visine. Me never need none of blood clot that. Me eye they never swell up. Me eye they never none of that. I see clearly now. I will see it fucking clear. As there. And what am I do? Me see it. I'm a retard. So me don't give a fuck what you like and name in my house. Let everybody. I know for the Jamaican artists can't come out of the closet because I want a place where I want to come from. You understand me? Ross. Everybody at Jamaica still have a day in our closet. They want to get them fuck at Jamaica already. I hear them now. No, Jamaica is not a lesbian place. I want to get pussy for. I want to get pussy for fuck. You know, say, I don't know why Jamaican people take being gay so personal. What the fuck? Are you me a fuck? When I take it too personal, like when I get an award for hate gay people. When the government don't even want to go no money for feed on a blood class self. But every day when I get up, every day with this one bag of gay hate. So all me want to say I want to get out of it and don't bring the Bible to me because I support murderers and thieves. And the Bible said, do not kill and do not thief. And only praise the thief them. The Sodomite and bat him and then they come way down in a Leviticus. Thou shalt not kill, thief, and murder. They right up at top there, so. And only glorify murderers and thieves. But you go all the way down a Leviticus and murder us. But if you're that Jamaica, you're a thief, then praise you. If you're that Jamaica, you're a murderer and rapist, then praise you. But once you turn bat him and you're dead for sure. When you're there, yard, if you want to be successful in anything, you have to hide say you're anything, man. If you're gay, you have to keep that to your blood clot self. But they love bumbuckler, rapist, murderer, and thief, you know. You see me? But from once you're a batty man, I hit that, you get fucked. The amount of undercover Batman and Sodomite to Jamaica, if Jamaica, if you have like all one sitting, where, like when you test goal, to receive a goal, if you could have one of them radar there, if you go over Jamaica, so on a surprise, you know that drop blood clot down. You know that drop down, you know that land pound of blood clot back. You hear me telling you now? Down at Jamaica, we want to see that. The amount of faggot with there at Jamaica, the amount of lesbian with there at Jamaica, the amount of them kind of people with there at Jamaica. But every day, when I have Batty Foota get up and Batty Sizzla, this, that, red, like a Spice now have a job. Like Spice can, she have control over who listen to her music. So what? Batty man now have ears. Sodomite now have ears. Sodomite not like music. Batty man not like music. You sound stupid you fuck. You make you homophobic behavior in Jamaica. Just turn on in a fucking idiot. Everything I batty this and batty that. And some of the things them are real batty things them are them miss who now do. And I said that straight. You don't want a blood clot liquid about. Spice now. And millions of people there that they march there. And she get booked for thousands of dollars for go perform for fans. Them people that do our music. I would feel more honored because these people are not just gay people. They're people. But just because gay come before it, when they automatically start beat the people uneducated Sizzla and Batman Foota. Sizzla nobody not care about what you want to say, dog. But suck your mother, youth. You see nobody over here start try being a bubble. You don't see side of my ear cut, me a fashion rast. Rasta in my ear and a name pussy. My preference, I chose that. You can't tell nobody what to choose waste man Sizzla. Batty boy, you know, see everybody would have turn blood clot Rasta. If everybody did turn Rasta like you, waste man. Nobody know want to be in a Rasta. People are balled. Some people married, some people single, some people are faggot, some people straight. Pussy, you can't tell nobody what to choose. You're Batman Foota. And you can't tell who what to listen to neither waste man. That's why enough of the music was sell waste Sizzla. Whistler. And a waste man. Not big waste. That's why when time for the music then drop on the scene, who they sell 2,000 and 3,000 copy on a waste. When the genre is a waste. Nobody now support so much hate. You see me? When I waste. Love on the daddy. Have a lovely day. Yes, sir. Yo, remember my birthday party, December 17th. Mermar Park, you're watching that. I'm go feel link now and go buy the ticket. Them all if you're not dog Mermar. Support the dog now. Judge of God. You see me I say? People, my birthday party, December 17th, Mermar Park, Florida. Buy the ticket, them depot Eventbrite. Dirty 30, what's it by Ling Ling? You know it go already. Lava Chromatic, Zan Cartel, Real Famous, Only for Hot Sound. Yo, people, birthday love. Yeah, Yeah, man. Yeah, you see what I say? Mama Reds, hot party, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I want this scanner to go over Jamaica too, so we can stop this one bag of gay hatred. She's going to be paid and she's going to do lovely at her show. Hey, Foota gonna make a new page, you fucking idiot, yeah. I love you too.